Good afternoon, welcome to another class. So today we're looking at indices. Indices means power or exponent. Now, example, x to the power 2, 10 to the power 3, 6 to the power 4 are example of what? The index form of a number. Alright, so today we're looking at the laws of indices. The laws, there are so many laws governing indices. So we'll look at some of them. The first one we'll look at is multiplication law. Now, this law says that when multiplication sign exists between two numbers, what you do is to add their power. So, example, if I have x raised to the power k, for instance, times x raised to the power y, this should give us x raised to the power k plus y as per the law. So, because this multiplication sign exists between the two, you just add their powers. Okay, so if we have, like, we use three numbers, 10 raised to the power 5 times 10 raised to the power 3, answer should be 10 raised to the power 5 plus 3. That will give us 10 raised to the power 8. Also, if I have y raised to the power 6 times y raised to the power 2 times y, this should give us y raised to the power 6 plus 2 plus 1. This one is because this y is raised to the power 1. So that's how we got the 1 there. So that should now give us y raised to the power 9. Alright, division law says that if division sign exists between two numbers, you subtract their power. You subtract their powers. Example, if I have x raised to the power k divided by x raised to the power y, my answer should be x raised to the power k minus y. If I have 10 raised to the power 7 divided by 10 raised to the power 5, answer should be 10 raised to the power 7 minus 5. That should give us 10 raised to the power 2. In the same vein, if you have y raised to the power 16 divided by y raised to the power 12, that should give us y raised to the power 16 minus 12. That should be y raised to the power 4. The third law we're looking at is the zero law. The zero law. Now, any number raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Example, if I have x to the power 0, the answer is 1. Y to the power 0 times k to the power 0, answer is 1 times 1, which is 1. In the same vein, if I have, let's say, 16 to the power 0 times x to the power 2 times 5 to the power 3 divided by 6 to the power 1 times 5 to the power 2 times 17 to the power minus 1. If I put them in brackets and raise the power of 0, the answer is still be 1. The fourth law we're looking at is the inverse law. Now, if a number is raised to a negative power. We take the reciprocal or inverse of the number. Meaning that, for instance, if you have x is equal to power minus 1, now minus 1 is a negative power, while x is equal to 1 is a positive power. So if a number is raised to a negative power, it will become the inverse of x. Okay? Also, if you have x to the power minus 2, all you have to do is 1 all over x raised to the power 2. In the same vein, 3 raised to the power minus 4, same thing as 1 all over 3 raised to the power 4. The fifth law I'm going to look at is the fractional law. Fractional law. Now, if it says that if a number is raised to a fraction, the denominator will form the root, while the numerator will form the power. By implication, means we have something like x raised to the power 3 over 2. Now, 2 is my denominator, so it will form the root of x, that is the square root of x. Now, 3 is my numerator, so to form the power. Okay? Or, still the same thing. All right. If you have 25, for instance, raised to the power 3 over 2, this should give us the square root of 25. This is power what? 3. Now the square root of 25 is actually 5. Then 5 is power 3 will give us 1, 2, 5. 5 times 5, 25. 25 times 5, 1, 2, 5. Also, if you have 8 raised to the power 2 over 3, that should give us the cube root of 8. Okay? Raised to the power of 2. Now the cube root of 8 is 2, because 2 times 2 times 2 gives us 8. So raised to the power of this 2 we have here, 2 to the power 2 is actually 4. Alright, the sixth law we'll be looking at is the power law, the power or product law. Okay? Now in this law, if I have x raised to the power 5 and raised to the power 2, what you do is x raised to the power 5 times 2, which should give us x raised to the power what? 10. In the same way, if we have x raised to the power 2, y raised to the power 3, and k raised to the power 4, and all is b raised to the power of 4, that should give us x raised to the power 2 times 4, then y raised to the power 3 times 4, then k raised to the power what? 4 times 4. That should give us x raised to the power 8, y raised to the power 12, and k raised to the power what? 16. I hope you found the lesson helpful. Okay? To see the application of the laws of indices, check the next video. And don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and drop your comment in the comment section below. Okay? Your observation, any question, check it there and respond accordingly. Thank you very much.